In this quick video, you'll learn the easiest way to find and delete archived messages on Facebook Messenger without accidentally losing chats you still need. First, open the Messenger app on your phone and make sure you're signed into the right Facebook account. Tap the three-line menu in the top left, then choose Archive Chats to see all your archived conversations. Important, archived messages are not deleted. They're just hidden from your main inbox until you unarchive or delete them. To delete a chat, press and hold on the conversation, then tap Delete. Confirm to permanently remove that thread from your account. Repeat this for any archived chats you don't need. Once you confirm Delete, those messages are gone and cannot be recovered. Now let's do the same on desktop Messenger so your archives stay clean everywhere. On your computer, open Facebook in a browser, click the Messenger icon at the top, then choose See All in Messenger. In the left sidebar, click the three dots, then select Archive Chats to open the same archived list you saw on mobile. Again, remember, archived does not mean deleted. These chats still exist until you choose to remove them. To delete on desktop, hover over a conversation, click the three dots, choose Delete Chat, then confirm to permanently erase it. Clean out any old archived threads you don't need, and you're done. Your archived messages are only gone for good when you confirm deletion on each chat.